Okay, so welcome back to Code of Petty Paw. In this tutorial we will add some images to our project. One of the ways we can do this is by using Unsplash. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to get some free images. Let's go travel. So let's say you have a travel blog or you've been writing about travel. And we're going to look for city. And we make sure that the license is free. So we've got New York. So we could even actually say, let's say Paris, because I live in France. And we'll download this one. Save the image, or you could do copy image address. And what we could do, we're inside our project card Astro here, and just gonna put an image tag, and we will put the tag that we've just created there, and that's the source. And we'll say class object cover, and we will say height 32, rounded MD, and we'll save that. So let's run the project. Basically what this will do, every post that we have will actually have the same image, as you can see. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. We can say width full, and you will be able to see it like so. Okay, so another way we could do this is by actually adding the image to our content matter here. So we could say something like header, or just image, and we could paste in a URL, or we could add an image folder to our public here, and actually download some images. So let's go with Unsplash again, and we said Paris, and we said free. And we're going to save this one. I'm going to save it inside of my folder. So, sorry, it's inside of the public and the images, and I'm going to call it Eiffel Tower. And it's going to save it as an AVIF file. That's fine. And we're going to say this one. Save image as Paris Metro, and this one as Paris Arc Triomphe. Okay, so those are all saved inside, and if we now look inside our images folder, we see these three files. So in order to actually access that in our markdown file, all we need to do is add --images, and we say arc triumph.avif, and we will copy this and we will put the same in our article 2. We'll change it to Eiffel Tower. And article 3 will change to Paris Metro. Okay, so now that we have all of those, we can go back to our project component, and we need to add project card component, and we need to add the image. And instead of this here, which was our default, we're going to say project.data.image, which is the name of our. Wow, so now if we run the project, let's take a look. Okay, so we're getting something. We're not quite getting what we need, and I think it's because I need to change that to / so that it knows I'm talking about the public folder. So let's refresh, inspect. Okay, let's just make sure we're getting, it is image, yeah. Project.data.image, yeah, that's right. So, okay. Let's do the whole, okay, dash. Let's go public / images / oh yeah, let's do the whole let's do Eiffel Tower. Let's do the whole path for now and just make sure this is working first. Paris Metro .avif. So okay, so we don't need to do any of that. What we need to do is we need to change the avif file to a JPEG. Let's do that now.